Hello my dear students. Today we were going to learn about the various type of geometrical shapes. We all can see various types of objects in our surroundings that has various types of shape. But now we are going to define those shapes with a few examples. So all of you, let's revise all the definition of shapes with me. We will start with the triangle. A triangle is a closed shape figure. A triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners, or you can say 3 edges and 3 vertices. Some of the examples of triangle you can see all around, like pizza, the ice cream cone, and also the signals. Okay, so there are the few examples of triangles. Now we are going to discuss about the rectangle. A rectangle has 4 sides and 4 corners. Opposite sides of rectangle are equal, and the line joining the opposite vertices of a plane shape is called diagonal. So here is the rectangle ABCD, which has the 4 sides like AB, BD, CD and AC, and has the 4 corners A, B, C and D, and has the diagonals, that is AD and BC, and the opposite sides of the rectangle, that is AB, which is equal to CD, and the other sides or the other pair of sides, that is AC, which is equal to BD. Some rectangular objects you can see all around, that is blackboard, that can be a table or your study table, or that can be also a book. Now we are going to discuss about the square. A square has 4 sides and 4 corners. All sides of a square are equal. A square has also 2 diagonals and both of the equal length. So here we have considered a square, that is ABCD. The 4 sides are AB, BC, CD and DA, and both the 4 sides are equal, and the diagonal, that is AC and BD, both are of equal length. So a square is a ABCD, where the vertices are A, B, C and D. Some examples of square you can see all around, that is a wall clock, that can be a chessboard, okay, or that can be a window also. So those are the few examples of square. Now we have come to define the circle. A circle has no sides and no corners. It is round in shape. A line segment from the center to a point on the boundary of the circle is called radius. Here O is the radius, OP is the radius and O is the center. So O is the middle of the circle, and as we can see some examples of circle you can see all around. That can be a round clock, that can be a ball, that can be sun or donuts, etc. So those are the few examples of circle. Now we will going to discuss the definition of cube. A cube is made up of 6 square faces, 8 vertices and 12 straight edges. Here in the diagram, the faces, the vertices and the edges are labeled. And an example of a cube is a puzzle, a work puzzle or a colored puzzle. I hope you all can see the puzzle. Okay, so that is basically a cube in shape. Now another shape is there, that is cuboid. A cuboid is made up of 6 rectangular faces, 8 vertices and 12 straight edges. So here is some example of cuboid, that is brick and the eraser which you used in your daily life. So brick and eraser, both are the example of a cuboid. Okay, so in this video lesson we all learn about the solid shapes like triangle, rectangle, square, circle, cube and cuboid. From this video lesson, you all have to learn all the definitions of the geometrical shapes and the examples of it. And by that, try to find the shapes of the various objects you can see all around. And we will going to discuss about the other shape in the next video lesson. Thank you.